Hello friend, welcome to my channel WildCreed. I'm Anush Kumara. In this video I will show you how to enable SSL certificate by edit htaccess file in cPanel and redirect HTTP to HTTPS. My this website run with HTTP and SSL certificate still not enabled on this site. First, log in your hosting account because you need to copy a code from here. Beside this, log in your cPanel in other tab. Go to File Manager and click on Public HTML. Click on public_HTML and search for your domain. This is my domain. Search for your domain and click on this domain. After that, first go to Setting. Check this box because sometimes .htaccess file will be hidden by default. You need to edit this file. Now again go to your hosting account. Okay. Go to Help in your menu bar. Click on Knowledge Base. In the search option, type HTTP to HTTPS redirection Apache. Okay, and search for that. Click on this file. After that, read carefully. Ensure that the digital certificate is properly installed in your hosting order and the site resolving on HTTPS your domain name. Your site will be work HTTPS your domain name, www your domain name. Okay, create a .htaccess file. In this cPanel, you need to edit this file. Okay. First, copy this code from here. Copy and go to your cPanel .htaccess. Right click on that and click on Edit. After that, select all and delete that and paste that code in here. This code, okay, paste in here. After that, copy your website name without www. Just copy your website name and paste in this location. Remove common underscore name and paste your domain name here. Be careful. After that, click on Save. Okay, go to your website, refresh that. Okay, now my HTTPS, my SSL certificate is enabled for this website. Okay, but site security is still not enabled. I don't know. I think it needs some time. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you.